Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars SMX waterproof jacket. Okay, this one retails for $289.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos or pricing changes along the product itself has been completely redesigned. Sizing.
So I am 5'11" and 1/4, and I'm 152 pounds, and I'm wearing a size small. And I will say this fits tighter. You know, it's got like
it's got a fully removable insulated liner, right?
What he said on the inside.
What he said.
And that definitely kind of restricts some room, you know.
Well, when you have that insulated liner
Definitely,
in, right? This is meant so you can use it over multiple seasons.
Yeah.
Right? So for most people, when you're riding during the warmer weather, you're pulling that insulated liner out. The jacket's going to become exponentially more comfortable, right? Yeah. You would leave that liner in for the cooler, you know, here in Michigan, you don't really ride a motorcycle in the winter.
Nope.
Right, because we get real winter. But there's others, more southern states where, you know, their idea of winter weather is our idea of spring weather, where you get a jacket like this with that insulated liner, you're going to go out and you're going to have a great day of riding in it. Sure. You know, you try and pull that same thing off in 30 degrees or even 40, it ain't going to be so great. So the first thing I got to say is visually, right, and this one's available in a few different colors. Yeah. This is the one I chose for this video. Visually, it's stunning, dude.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Right? This is a good-looking jacket. So who do I think this is right for? I'm not a big waterproof jacket guy, and the reason behind that is I'm not riding in the rain. The only one that rides in the rain that's standing here is you. Yes, not me, right? We're at a track day, and it's raining. I'm not going out. He has to go out because he needs to practice, but...
And it's fun.
If you say so, I will take your word for that. However, what I will say is... You know, I think really the right way to do it with jackets, if you're one of those rain or shine type of riders or even cool weather or hot weather, you just want to be out there on two wheels, it's great to have multiple jackets. So you take this jacket, when I look at it, I don't look at this like, hey, I'm going to go on and ride around in a thunderstorm jacket. I look at this as like, this thing's got a nice insulated liner in it, man, and it's waterproof, right? It's windproof. This is going to be a great, cool weather riding jacket that allows you to adjust the temperature a bit, regulate your temperature with that liner either in or out. Just good looking, man. So we've got Nucleon Flex Armor in the elbow and forearm as well as in the shoulder. Integrated shoulder slider. Kind of getting ahead of myself here because I'm all excited because this jacket's gorgeous. Look at that asymmetric reflective logo back there. Right, we've got this embroidery, gives that extra detail. There's stretch fabric here. The mobility in this should be really good.
Should be solid, yeah. You know,
How does it feel? You're the one wearing it.
It feels good without a doubt. You know, I mean, I feel like if I throw the chest inserts and the back protector, maybe a little tighter, but I like myself to fit that way. So honestly, I think this is, you know, size small for 156 foot-ish guy. You know, I think this is honestly perfect. You know.
When we come back, we're going to give you a look at how this jacket fits him with the armor inserts in. Okay, so we have the chest, Nucleon Flex Pro split chest inserts in the coat, and we've got the KR Cell back protector insert underneath this coat. Still have the full liner. Go ahead and give him a quick spin. It's a little snug right now, isn't it?
Just a little bit, but I mean, things break in over time, and I think that's what we're having with this. So.
And also, the liner is in. When we come back, we're going to go one step further to show you how this would fit him with the armor in without the insulated liner. Here is the same jacket, same inserts. We removed that fully insulated liner. How's it fit now, dude?
Fits really good, honestly. I mean,
wait, please hold. Who told you it was going to be like that?
You did. But no, I mean, it fits great. Like I'd say a little bit of extra wiggle room now that you know, liner's removed. So I think again, perfect fit. Size small for 156 foot-ish pound guy.
Other features and benefits. We've got volume adjustment here in the wrist. Oh, I forgot about this thing. Screen printed on the elbow. It's amazing. It's like a pretend elbow slider.
Yep.
CE armor in the elbow forearm, talked about that. Integrated shoulder slider, armor underneath. We got asymmetric logo there on the side, the zippered hand warmer style storage pockets. This is a waterproof, breathable, right, water-resistant jacket. There is an internal storage pocket on the left breast that is completely waterproof. Great place for your smartphone. If you like what you see so far, and it's hard to imagine that you wouldn't. I really think, you know, just going back to it, this is a cool to cold weather winter, or not winter, but riding jacket.
For sure, without a
for
doubt.
sport riders. That's really what this is going to be best for. You know, like they're billing it as waterproof, which it is. But you know, when I'm thinking waterproof, I'm thinking like an Andes Pro or something, where you're out there in a big touring jacket.
Definitely.
This is a kick-ass sport jacket, windproof, cold weather riding. If you like what you see, come on back. We're gonna take it apart, give you a look from the inside out. Okay, the SMX waterproof jacket from the inside out. Here is that insulated liner that we had removed and talked about earlier. Full quilted liner, both vest and sleeve. The attachment system, full zip from bottom, spanning across the shoulders to bottom to hold it inside the base of the jacket. You've got a storage pocket here that carries over into the liner when you have it in. And remember, because this is a waterproof jacket, anything you put in here is going to stay dry if you get caught in inclement weather. The attachment system at the end of the cuff, they use simple loops, color-coded. There's some snaps in there, super easy to do at the end of the sleeve. CE certified Nucleon Flex Armor. This is your elbow and forearm piece. This is your shoulder piece right here. Low profile, moldable, flexible, comfortable. Most importantly, it's protective. You know, it's funny, when we started doing this is year number 18, by the way. The armor that used to come in the jackets was like way thicker. And it was certified to the same number, like it passed the same test this passes. So, you know, especially some of the older riders, they look at this, oh, it's not going to be good enough. You got to have thicker stuff. Technology has come a long way. The materials, the engineering, the designs, changes everything. Closer look at the jacket itself. Several different fabrics are used, right? They're all tested for abrasion and tear resistance, strategically placed. You can count on Alpinestars to get that done. Reflective, asymmetric logo there. That little embroidery is just a nice little touch. Stretch fabric right here. This jacket is optimized for Tech Air 5 use. If you want to use that, you can use their Tech Air 5 vest underneath this jacket quite comfortably. Get to the front of the coat. That's reflective, split by the zipper. I love the asymmetric logo. It's really cool. This fabric they used here has a nice hand. You get inside the coat. Storage pockets. There is a zippered storage pocket right here on the left side, right? So a great place to put maybe like your smartphone or something. The one on the right side has a Velcro closure. Now you get up to the top, like let's say that you want to add chest armor to this. The pockets on this one are easily accessible right there in the liner. Undo the Velcro, slide it in there. You're going to do that for either side. If you're not using chest armor, right, you could go ahead and you could actually use those pockets for storage. If you are using chest armor, you do not want to put chest armor and items to store in there at the same time. It'll kind of defeat the purpose of the armor, so keep that in mind. If you want to put the back protector insert in, here's the pocket right here. It's Velcro. Pop it in there. Boom, you're done. Shock cord style adjuster here at the waist. You want to tighten it up to seal out any inclement weather. You can do that. There is a little loop attachment system. If you're wearing a belt and you want to loop this through your belt to help keep the jacket down when you're in that riding position, you can easily do that as well. All in all, what do I think? I really like this coat. I'm going to say this again. This thing's beautiful. This is probably one of the best looking sport bike jackets I've seen in a long time. I think it's going to be best used for sport riders that are looking for a good, cool, and cold weather option, right? And if you happen to get caught in the rain, that's great. You know, if you're looking for a purpose-built raincoat, well, I'm sure this is nice and waterproof as it's built. You know, I just kind of see it more widely used as a cold weather sport bike option. You got any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.